It's another beautiful day today, starting my morning off with a hojicha latte. This is one of my favorite drinks to make, no matter the season. Today I'm making a pretty simple snack that I just discovered recently. I think it originates from Singapore. It's called Yeong Dou Pop, which is pretty much fried tofu puffs stuffed with shrimp and then deep fried again. It's actually really delicious. I'm chopping half of the prawns into small chunks and I'm mincing the other half into a super fine paste. This way you get a nice contrast in texture. You can do this step in the food processor, but I find it's a lot more fun to do it by hand. This recipe uses very simple ingredients that you can find at your local Asian supermarket. I don't use chicken powder often, but when I do, it's in very small amounts. Chicken powder is MSG after all. It's not bad for you, but I do end up feeling really thirsty afterwards. This is my favorite part of the recipe, where you throw the shrimp paste down a few times. The purpose of this is to create that really nice bouncy texture. The recipe called for about a tablespoon of green onions, but I like a little bit more. Don't add too much because the green onions do burn relatively fast. Mix in the green onions and the rest of the chopped prawns. I forgot to season the chopped prawns, but there's already enough flavor from the shrimp paste to season them as well. These are fried tofu puffs that I bought from Wrench 99 Wrench, however you like to call it. I think these were the wrong tofu puffs to use because they were really dense. The one that you're going after is supposed to be really light and squishy. But these still came out really good too. Fry these for about 5 minutes until they turn nice and golden brown and the filling is cooked all the way through. I don't know if you can tell, but these chopsticks were a little bit deformed. So that combined with my bad chopstick skills actually made it a bit difficult to scoop them out of the oil. You can serve these with a chili sauce or a sweet soy-based sauce, but you can also eat them by themselves. They're really good that way, and they make a really perfect afternoon snack. The tofu is crunchy, the shrimp is nice and bouncy. Super good. I hope you guys give this a try. Thank you guys for cooking with me today. I'll see you guys in the next one.